All right, so a pin dropping is apparently 10 decibels.
Right, and a decibel, if I remember correctly, is the amount of noticeable sound from one level to the next.
Right, it scales.
It's geometric.
Exactly, yeah, like a sporting event is 105 decibels.
Yes.
Now that's at the average human pain threshold, but it is at 105, that's actually 16 times as loud as 70 decibels.
Okay, got it.
If we're at 115, that is comparable to an emergency vehicle siren or a riveter. Prolonged exposure can cause hearing loss. Patreon.com/modernrogue!
That's loud.
What do we got?
112.5. This episode of The Modern Rogue brought to you by our friends over at Raycon. Head on over to buyraycon.com/rogue, spell it right, R-O-G-U-E. Not only will you get 15% off, but you get free domestic shipping or international flat shipping. They're not flat, they're 3D. They go in your ears. All right, gang, gather round. We're gonna play a game. We collected 10 times that Jason and I absolutely should have been wearing hearing protection of some type. Times that it got very, very loud. You've already gotten one of those 10. I want you to write down 4 more of your guesses of the top 10 loudest anythings that we've done and put them in the comments down below. Let's start with they're not in any particular order. It's, you know what? I'm pretty sure we were wearing hearing protection for all of this. It's fine. I'm blacksmithing! Blade crafting! Dude, you gotta try this.
Okay,
it's amazing, it's amazing.
Definitely screwing it up. It goes a lot faster when it's just him.
Yeah.
I have about a minute to fix it. This is the main machine in the shop where we do most of our grinding. This is a pretty aggressive 36 grit belt, so this is gonna eat material pretty quickly.
Holy cow, it really is just eating right through it.
I got to admit, that one snuck up on me. I did not know that a hammer on an anvil could reach 110 decibels. Oh, I missed it.
Blacksmiths are like sculptors. We start with a solid piece, shape that solid piece into what we're looking for.
All right.
Not that fast.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you want to keep it kind of slow. I want to keep my airway open.
I did this, I forged.
Bringing the ends in just a little. Stop.
Yeah.
And stop. Walk it across like that.
Oh yeah, and just using your drift as the pivot
Oh, got
allows
it,
you to
okay.
keep it.
There you go.
Nice.
Keep going. Keep going. One more. One more. Go ahead. Stop. Stop. Note I'm hammering about the same spot, but I'm moving the steel away from it. I want to smooth it out a little bit.
This is the texturing we were talking about.
We want to get about half and half, right about there. And you can see, now I have the tab. See what I mean?
Nice.
And then take this, clean it off, kind of scrub it a little bit. What this is doing is actually scraping all the excess scale off of it. It's also smoothing the surface just slightly. And we have,
That looks great.
we have a bottle opener.
Okay, as we march forward here, I got a trivia question for you. Per history, what is the loudest sound produced on planet Earth? This is in recorded history, but not a recording of it. I do know this much. This is the loudest sound we made on this show. A honk of wrong door. Wrong door!
Yes.
Ouch. What happened? It blew into my ear.
These horns are meant for trucks.
Yep.
And they run off of 12 volts to run a little compressor. To make it portable, let's take a 12-volt drill.
Here we go. We ready? Behold the changelings approach on the western front. Gather rogues to me, my rogues.
Yes, because we must join them.
Yeah, no, that's loud.
That is uncomfortably loud.
I ain't messing around, man.
I felt it in my dangly parts.
First test, we'll go indirect, straight up from
Okay.
3 feet away. 3, 2, 1.
109.7.
Which one causes permanent hearing loss?
Right around there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
That's, yep. Yeah, cruised up to about 115.
So it's 1,000 feet, 300 yards, give or take, from here all the way to the back of the property. It was pretty loud.
Yeah, we can hear it. What did we get, Corey?
About 60 decibels.
About 60 decibels.
Really?
But it's super loud and clear though.
What about this?
Shave and a haircut.
All right, all right. Per Google Maps, we are exactly 1 mile away from the tower. Unfortunately, we got traffic sounds. So this is roughly 4 times farther away than our first test. Are you ready, boss?
I am ready.
How much noise do we have? What does the decibel meter say?
We're somewhere around 60.
We'll just see how it goes.
Might as well, right?
5, 4. Maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe? Let's try it again. We moved over so that there are fewer trees in between us. See if you can give me a shave and a haircut.
Shave and a haircut it is.
We hear it! We hear the honk of wrong door! Hit it again! Woo! Yes! Yes! We hear the call!
Yes! Man, you can hear it echoing all throughout the area.
Yeah, we barely
Yeah,
hear
barely
it
this time,
over
yeah.
here. And what's funny is we don't hear it from the direction I think you are. I think we're hearing a bounce of it. I thought it was loud outside, and then this happened.
The Dungeons and Dragons Monster Manual is hidden in the gentleman room somewhere. But you have to find it.
I'm gonna...
Honk!
What? What just happened?
You failed a test! That's what happened.
What did I do?
Also, I think I broke a mic.
Oh no!
That thing's really loud.
Also, I now know that a hunk of wrong door is a punishment for messing up.
The honk of wrong door.
Okay. Son of a biscuit.
Honk!
Okay.
5 seconds.
No.
Honk!
They're so loud.
Yeah, you did quite well. Quite well, but not well enough.
It doesn't feel like I did well. It feels like I got 3 honks. All right, this one's far from the loudest, but it does deserve an honorable mention. Allow me to speculate. The reason we're doing this, it's fine. Is this gonna be the kind of thing where we're gonna have to like purse our lips in just the right way, or you're just gonna blow?
Just gonna blow.
Okay, because like if you do that, like otherwise you're doing that didgeridoo that.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah. You gotta work on your embouchure. I think that's how they say it. Embouchure? Very good, Brian.
Pretty good.
He just plays it till he falls over.
Yeah. That's it. So now you can also, now that we're close, cover your hand over it and just kind of open it up to relieve the pressure.
I'm trying to be soulful. In the age of wonder, this land was green and good. Just get it as loud as you can go. That was Quantum Leap.
Very respectable, 131 decibels.
Yeah. All right, let me see how. I also have a headache.
Oh.
What did he hit?
About 130.
Oh my god! Oh my god! This is the end of Close Encounters of the Third Kind.
Ooh. Yeah. It's about the same volume,
Okay.
but just way deeper.
We peaked at 150 on this. Oh, I wonder what the air compressor sounds like on the smaller one. 131. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to be here at Open Mic Night. I'm Brian Brushwood, Corey Cranfield, Jason Murphy. We are the Emphysema Orchestra. Take it away, boys. Okay, trivia answer. In 1887, in Indonesia, Krakatoa exploded. 310 decibels, heard 3,000 miles away. The biggest known sound since people started writing down how loud sounds were. I don't understand it. I do know that this was so loud, I may have suffered permanent hearing loss. Doesn't feel like that should be a highly explosive mixture.
Oh, it is. I mean, theoretically.
Go ahead, just right there. Impact, go! Well, that was loud insofar as it was a hammer hitting a thing.
Yeah, I don't think that worked.
Okay, that's gonna be a big one if it goes off. Good luck. I don't think... Nope. Finer powder?
Yeah.
Now, from what I understand, that's a fairly big amount of poof. Here, may I?
Yeah, yeah.
Nope. Yeah! That was loud! My ears are ringing.
Wow.
Are you saying something right now? Because I can't tell.
It worked!
I can't hear anymore. All right.
We got some earplugs if anybody wants. It's probably fine.
Probably fine. Put that on our tombstone.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool.
What?
That, yep.
Yeah.
Kind of device.
You want to hit it up? Well, let's away from the.
Yeah.
Okay.
There it is.
Well, that was something. Armstrong's mixture, attack! Yeah, concrete's better.
It's much better.
Oh, you broke the table.
Clear.
All right, clear. Payload is secured. Team Mountain Road, Operation Innocent, white powder is a go. I need a go, no go. Flight ops.
08, touch go. System 4 Charlie Tango, number 2, following Cessna to be on the left base, DM inside. Looking for Charlie Tango, number 2. Traffic that's right, flying over your place right now.
9 minutes out.
Golden Eagle, this is MRHQ. We are in position and ready to go. Over. Roger that, MRHQ. We are inbound with the packaged goods. We are making an approach.
They got a visual on the cell tower.
We are directly headed over the sound stage. We have visual confirmation.
There they are! Ha ha!
MRHQ, MRHQ, did you see us? Over. Well, that thing really goes. Oh, yeah.
Incoming!
Beautiful release right over the pond. If you can tell me where that one landed, that would be good intel.
But it hit just north of the septic meadow. Over. Ready?
Oh, there it is. Heads up, everybody.
Where did it go? Where did it go?
It got the tree right, one of the trees right by the meadow, the septic meadow. Over. There they go. Incoming! Oh! Oh! We didn't hit, but we saw a bunch of them landing in the woods. Oh, there we go.
Oh, jeez.
I just see one. How many did he drop? I just saw one and like a trail of powder behind the plane.
We got a bit of a leak situation here.
I think I saw a contrail of flour behind the plane.
Look, guys, it's no secret. I listen to podcasts all day. I'm listening to audiobooks all day. I'm listening to music all day. I wear earbuds all day long from the moment I get up to the moment I go to bed. And also, I keep on wearing them when I go to bed. So I love the comfortable fit of Raycons. You know you're gonna love the deep, rich bass from Raycon earbuds. You know you're gonna love the noise isolating fit in your ears. And best of all, you know you're gonna love the value. Less than half the cost of those other guys. They're gonna feel great, they're gonna sound great, you're gonna look great, and if you lose one, you're not gonna have a heart attack. Sorry, cardiac surgeons. They're all like, oh, darn it. Head on over to buyraycon.com/rogue, spell it right, R-O-G-U-E. You'll get 15% off the already unbelievable prices that they have, and you're gonna get free shipping, both domestically and a flat international rate. Guess what? Chainsaws are loud. You all were correct.
I've got gloves, eye protection, ear protection. So with the big saw, I'm going to be getting my blocking done, which I want to get rid of as much of the wood that I know shouldn't be there right away. All right, let me switch to the carving saw now. Chainsaw is the fastest, most versatile tool, and the further you can go with the chainsaw,
The less time you have to spend on the
Yes.
fine detail.
Someone set us up the bomb.
God damn it, you took my line. Yeah, you beat me to it. I've been thinking of that one the whole goddamn time.
Oh, we couldn't see the other side. That's fantastic.
and then it's easier to start when the chain brake is not on.
Oh, scary. Look at that grin.
That's not terrifying.
Come around the other side, hold it like this.
Ah.
There you go. It doesn't help to saw, just bear down more.
Okay.
And hold steady.
Okay.
And the weight of the saw, if you let the weight of the saw pull, it should be able to make the cut without as much of you having to force it.
Gotcha.
All right, you don't have to be crazy about it. It's just like as much as you can, keep it away from your face.
Hey, Jason.
The problem you get with the pinching is because you came in like this. If you go straight, it won't pinch the bar.
Right, right.
And you don't have to go as fast as you think you do.
Yeah.
I'll go over with the small one.
You gotta do a plunge cut. People, I do that too. They get air
They keep sawing. They keep thinking it's a real saw.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
So, okay, so now we're at the point where we want to do more fine work, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna thin out this R.
I love the smell of cedar. Here, you want to do it? You're better at the detail work.
Sure.
Okay, so let's light things on fire.
Nice.
I guess so, huh?
Oh, sorry. I'm inordinately nervous about this.
My end. That was on my end. All right, go ahead. Because that's going to be your shadows.
That's good. I think we're real good.
It really changes the whole thing.
It's hard to get a sense of where it is. You got to kind of go bit by bit.
Yeah, so you can see a little bit more of the ridges in the wood.
Yeah.
And it brings out a little bit more.
Of course, you knew chainsaws were loud. It's all you guys would say in this. Do you want to spot me and let me know if it looks like I'm perpendicular here?
It's really important at this point to address personal protective equipment. Hearing protection, guys, we got a lot of it out on the soundstage.
Feel good? All right.
It just seems so.
So yeah, you guys have made some really nice wedge holders.
The rock broke.
Let's do it. Rope is taut. Pulling. Come on. Come on. One of the ropes gave. Huh. Wedge, 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 wedge.
No. Oh, wait. Jim, move. Timber. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Just turn it off. Oh. Finally, the most obvious of them all. Tell me in the comments, did you get your 4 out of 10 correct? Let me know. You made the extraordinary claim that you could take anyone, people who have never even held a gun before in their entire life, and after one lesson, their first shot will be a bullseye.
Promise.
Promise?
Promise. Finger on the trigger, gently press the trigger straight back in your hand. Don't move the gun, just the trigger. Very nice, okay. So ears all around.
Oh.
Going hot. So Jason, the only difference between this gun now and before is that it has a little bit of useless ammo in it that we're gonna turn into valuable brass. If you would just take this hand, cup that, looking through the rear sight at the front sight. Move your finger to the trigger, and without moving the gun, just gently press the trigger straight back in your hand. Bring this in a little lower so you get a little more leverage. Ease the trigger back. Don't move the gun, just the trigger, and gently press the trigger straight back in your hand. Good, that's beautiful. You can do the same thing again. Gently press the trigger straight back in your hand. And there's the bullseye that I promised you.
Dead solid, perfect. That was amazing.
Way to go.
Boy, it
Feel
feels so
that?
strange.
Yeah, but look how solid you are
Yeah,
now,
it really
right?
is.
All right, so now we'll put one in that's slightly louder than the ones that are in there before. Good, gently press, good. Gently press, good.
Wow!
Nice work. There you go.
Wow, that was amazing.
Excellent. Let's say I get it backward. Instead of getting this foot here, I got this foot here. So now I'm shaky, right? Let's say instead of grabbing the gun properly, I got hold of the gun upside down. All right? Instead of shooting it with my index finger, I shot with my pinky. Could I still hit the target? Getting everything wrong.
God, I hope so.
So if I get everything wrong, but I maintain good sight alignment and good trigger control, I could probably still outshoot you guys.
Wow!
With a center shot.
Modern Rogue is supported in part by viewers like you at patreon.com/modernrogue. In the description, you can find all of our credits and additional ways to support the show.
Imagine owning all the world's greatest songs ever played on PVC pipes by the greatest musicians of our time. In a once-in-a-lifetime collection, Modern Rogue presents the Ultimate Emphysema Orchestra Collection, featuring such hits as Modern Rogue Hoedown, and Whatever This Is. Call now and get this incredible collection on CD for just $14.99.